Nutcracker Sweet. My name is Talia for those of you who may be new here, and every week until the end of December I'm going to be sharing girly holiday content on my YouTube channel and calling this little series Trendy Talidays. I hope you all enjoyed my new holiday intro. If you didn't already know, I am obsessed with anything that is a nutcracker and sugar plum themed, so of course I had to incorporate that in my Trendy Talidays intro. I'm kicking off the holiday season with another favorite girly Starbucks drinks recommendation, Holiday Edition! I filmed one of these a few months back and had so much fun doing it, so I figured why not share some of my favorite girly Starbucks holiday treats now that they released their holiday menu. So let's get started. First up, we have a pumpkin spice latte. This is one of my all-time favorite fall drinks. Whenever it releases from Starbucks for the fall season, I'm down there within the day to pick one up. So what you will find in a pumpkin spice latte is a delicious blend of pumpkin and fall spices, steamed milk, and espresso topped with whipped cream and pumpkin spice topping. My next favorite girly holiday Starbucks drink is a caramel apple spice. This drink is perfect for those cold days. It just makes you feel all warm and cozy inside, and it's actually what I'm drinking today. So what you will find in this beverage is a warm hug in a cup made of steamed apple juice, cinnamon syrup, whipped cream, and caramel drizzle. This drink is caffeine free, so it's perfect for kids as well. Next up, we have a cinnamon Dolce latte, and I love this latte for when I'm feeling something like a little bit smooth and sweet and a hint of spice. So in this beverage, you will find it's the perfect blend of cinnamon Dolce flavored syrup, steamed milk, espresso topped with whipped cream, and cinnamon Dolce topping. My all-time favorite holiday girly Starbucks beverage is a peppermint white mocha. This drink tastes exactly how I would imagine Christmas to taste like. It's so warm and cozy. And what you will find in this beverage is rich espresso, white chocolate sauce, peppermint flavored syrup, and steamed milk topped with whipped cream and dark chocolate curls. It's so delicious, you guys. And if you like rich, creamy, peppermint flavored beverages, I definitely recommend trying Starbucks' peppermint white mocha. Another favorite of mine for the holidays and is perfect for kids is a peppermint hot chocolate. Kind of like a peppermint mocha, but minus the coffee. So in this beverage, you will find a lovely chocolatey mocha sauce, peppermint flavored syrup, and steamed milk topped with whipped cream and dark chocolate curls. And my last favorite holiday girly Starbucks beverage is so cute and girly. It reminds me of the holiday song, It's a Marshmallow World. It's so delicious, you guys. It's a pink drink topped with vanilla sweet cream foam. If you guys have not tried it yet, you definitely should. It was actually a recommendation from a girl that I follow on Instagram and YouTube. Her name is Tanya, and I'm so glad that she shared it with us girlies because it's so delicious and such a pretty drink. What you will find in this beverage is a marshmallow world in the winter with this fruity refreshment made of strawberry acai refreshers, passion fruit, and coconut milk, topped with vanilla cold cream, and it tastes just like strawberries and marshmallows. It's so delicious. And then the last two things are sweet treats from the bakery section of Starbucks. And the first one is so adorable. It is a cake pop, and not just any cake pop, but a Snowman Cake Pop. And this is so sweet. I kid you not, I could only take one bite and share the rest with my son and my husband because that's how sweet it was. So if you love sweet treats, then definitely check this one out. It tastes like fluffy vanilla cake, rich vanilla icing dipped in white chocolatey coating. And like I said, it's so sweet. So if you're not into sweet treats, maybe don't try this one out because it's definitely over the top sweet. But it's cute and girly and definitely perfect to snap a picture for that holiday aesthetic on your Instagram account. And then lastly, we have a sugar plum cheese Danish, and you guys already know that I had to try this cheese Danish because I'm obsessed with anything that is sugar plum themed, as I stated in the beginning of this video. So this Danish is pretty simple. It's just a cheese Danish topped with a spiced sugar plum spread, and it tastes wonderful. I can eat these every day and not get tired of them. I wish they sold them year round. It does not disappoint and it tastes so delightful. Alright sugar plums, and that is it for my first holiday video. I hope you all enjoyed watching, and if you would like to see more trendy holiday videos from me, then make sure you click that subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!